Sonny's Car Wash Controls offers complete business management technology to deliver efficiency and profitability for single and multiple site car wash operations. As you consider converting to our system, we are sharing insights straight from the owners that converted to our system. Your conversion to Sonny's Controls will have limited impact on downtime and your current memberships. And it offers data collection and remote monitoring at its best, a smart system from pay station to tunnel to back room and more.
Being an express car wash that is built around memberships, we had a few thousand members already. We spoke with Sonny's and the team about a process where we could get all the license plates in, but then start capturing the credit cards as the customers came through, and that proved to be pretty seamless.
Physical installation was about 2 full days, I think. Very seamless, in and out. Car wash services folks were in on a Tuesday morning and were done by Wednesday night.
All the nuances that we deal with on a day-to-day basis from operations perspective, they didn't see anything. So They came in, new wash to them, new pay stations, LPR. It was exciting, and that's what you want for your customer.
It's been a nice fit from us, the ability to train people on it and the ability to look at it from wherever we were at. And so it was very nice to be able to just pull that up, any computer, any phone, wherever you're at, look at those things. We have pay stations at all of our stores. We also have LPR. We converted over to that this year. We also have started installing the digital queue in all of our new locations. And that's a product that I really enjoyed seeing.
I think Sonny's has thought of every single thing that a car wash needs. Going from one system to another was really, really easy. We were able to download our current membership information into the Sonny's system. Our members didn't really even notice the change.
We use Sonny's Controls at 7 of our locations. We utilize, as far as I know, almost everything that you guys make. I can honestly say that I would highly recommend Sonny's Controls as the way to go. The people are great to work with. They're honest. They're thinking past what other people are thinking in the industry. And I love to be out in front of where it's going, not trying to catch up.
We've been very happy with the success of our first car wash and the success of Sonny's Controls and their platform, and really making it easy to manage our customers and our limited club members. And we're looking forward to take advantage of some of their multi-site capabilities as we move forward with more than one location.